MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at MicroAlgo stock, I see the price 21% down, which is absolutely tough. Very tough. That being said, it's not like I wasn't even expecting it. You know, like I've been covering MLGO for quite some time right now. I mean, over the last 1 month, 2 months, it's been just a bearish ticker for me. And before that, actually, I just took 2 longs on that way up. And here's how they look like in those videos. Now, obviously, because I'm the only person in this space that's done 42,000 videos and actually documented them all, I've seen what's making me money, what's not, and more so, it's all documented. So in this particular instance now, if I don't see a full-on candle close above 124, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to further buy or anything, right? Anything really. So that's how MLGO is looking like. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K when trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, Ninja.